Why is data recovery so expensive? Compared to other professional services like hiring a plumber or a painter or even a gardener, data recovery is actually relatively cheap. The main cost of data recovery is business overheads. So running a company in Australia, paying for rent, paying for employees, paying taxes, superannuation, marketing, administration costs is very, very high compared to other countries around the world. So often we do keep the prices as low as we can, but unfortunately the cost of even just keeping our doors open and paying our staff to even do one simple data recovery job costs us several hundreds of dollars every hour. So we try and minimize the cost passed on to you by doing things what we call our economy service. The more expensive data recovery services are what we call priority emergency, and that's where we do charge a higher price to do dedicated work. But compared to a gardener, for example, I paid a gardener $650 recently to trim my hedges and mow my lawn, took him 5 hours. We charge the same price to recover data from a mobile phone that's been run over by a car, smashed into lots of pieces, requires an expensive lab and tools, and might take one of our technicians 4 or 5 days to get your data back for the same cost of what a gardener would charge for one day work. So it's not that expensive when you consider it.